Using the window film on your car can protect you from harmful UV rays and increased the security for you. But do you know how to apply the window film correctly? In this video we will show you how do professional tint workers apply the new film. In the first step we will use the masking tape to cover the window frame, prevent the dust floating to the glass. Then we will measure the size of the window, cutting the suitable size of window film. By heating the window, we can remove the old film without leaving any trace. We can start to clean the window, spraying the soapy water on the film and using the razor blade and bluemax to scrap all of the dirt on window. You can repeat this step several times to make sure none of the glue sticks on it. Then we come to the most important part, installing the film on the window. Peeling the release paper from film and spray off soapy water on it. Place it inside of the window, start with the big edge first and press it into the seal. You can hold it with your hand so it will not shift. Line it up. Make sure you do not leave the light gap at the corner. The last step is using the bluemax to squeeze out the water. Doing this several times and there will be no excess water and bobble between the window and film. Those are all steps to tint the window film. In Chemix Solar Film, you can find out all kinds of window film suitable for your demand. For more information, please check on our website www.tintingwindowfilms.com.